past 20 years, we've lost about 200 guests here on Coast to Coast. They've passed on. In tribute to one, Brad Steiger, who was one of the world's best for talking about UFOs. Tell me about the story of Epsilon Buttes. This is an incredible story that a lot of people might not be aware of what very well could be an alien object that is circling our moon.
You know, I'm so intrigued by that, and you picked up on it when it first came out. I could not imagine why people weren't going wild about this, but here is a broadcast, so to speak, and sometimes we theorize that maybe there's like, I don't know what kind of device it'd be, but some type of tape recorder in the heavens that keeps broadcasting messages. But here, and serious-minded astronomers said, you know, this is coming from a source. It's coming from something that, you know, is circling. It is in an orbit, and it is broadcasting the meaningful messages. Now, and then it just disappeared from the stories, and I tried to track it down and get more information.